So we have seen how to create this from using Java program. So let's see again the last program. Which we have seen in last day. So our program was this one is okay. So where we can see that the first statement is an import statement. We have imported javax.swing.jframe because jframe is a class which is already defined in swing package. That's why I have imported using the import statement, import space javax.swing.jframe. Class that is my form. Within the form there is frm main is an instance or object of jframe class. Now after creation of jframe instance or object, I have performed some operations by calling methods of jframe from the display method. So display method is our user defined method of class my form. And within that I have called set titles, set size and set visibility using the frm main object, which is nothing but an object of jframe class. Now title is to set the title text of the title bar. Size set size method is to set the default size when the first time it opens. Now set visible, it must be true to view the frame, otherwise the frame will be hidden. From the main method, our aim is to call the display method. So in order to call the display method, first we have created an instance of the user defined class, that is the my form. In line number 12 we can see here, and the app instance name is or object name is APP app. So we can call the display method using the app. So using object app we are calling display method. So if the display method is called or invoked, then automatically from line number 7 to 9 will be executed, and if those lines are executed, then our aim will be fulfilled. Okay, so let's see what happens after the execution of this code. So compilation is done. Now we'll execute our program. So this is our output, and you can see the title bar BCA 2019 batch is printed, which we have provided in when we are calling the set title method of jframe. This one is the main container. So within that main container we have added two panels. So in our program at this moment I will add only one panel. Now here we can see the as the panel color of the panels are different, so that we can recognize the two panels. So our aim is simply add a panel in our GUI application. So first thing we need to do, what we need to import the panel. Okay, first I will import the panel. So we are creating instance of jpanel. Suppose the instance name is PNL is equal to new jpanel. We'll add this panel or layer on the JFrame. So for that we will do one thing. We will use JFrame instance. Then we will call the add method, and after calling the add method, we will just pass the panel instance or object. There is no changes is made for this GUI. Okay, but programmatically we know that, but visually it is not recognizable. You can't recognize that whether the panel is added or not in this JFrame. At this moment, by seeing this, we can't understand. Okay, but as a programmer, we know that there is a panel. First, import JLabel class. Sorry, yes, JLabel class. So that we can see something in the actual main window. Next thing we will do, we will create instance for JLabel. Suppose the label name LBL is equal to new JLabel. And next we will do what? We will just add. This time we will add the label in the panel, not in the frame. So that's why I am writing panel.add. So now the label is added in the panel and execute this program. So it should see the label, but there is a question. There is nothing in this in the area of this panel or in this window is added. Actually, we can't see anything, because the reason is we haven't set any text for the label. Label is basically blank, so there is a blank text, so we can't see anything in the panel or the JFrame. So for that we will do one thing. We will add some text. So we'll add some text. Suppose we are writing LVL dot set text. And passing parameter will be string. So we are writing here, this is label. Okay. This is a label. So this is a string that will be visible on the window. And rest of the thing we have done already. We have added. Let's compile the code. The compilation is done. Now we'll execute our program. And on the execution, we can see something is written in the panel or the main window, within the main window. Okay, so now you can see that this is a label is printed. So it means the label is added in the panel, and that's why the label text is visible. Okay, so what we have done, we have firstly created the frame. This is the frame. Within the frame we have added a panel. Okay, and next we have added a label in the panel.